Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at Etrailer.com, and we're going to be taking a quick look at the Dexter electric brake assembly. This is for the left-hand side, or the driver's side of your trailer, and this makes a great improvement over your typical surge brake or hydraulic brake assembly. The nice thing about electric brakes is that it's going to give you a really good stopping power, but without the need to run any kind of hydraulic lines, which can be messy and cumbersome. Can take a lot of maintenance to keep those maintained. So this makes it a bit easier. Of course, with an electric brake assembly or an electric brakes, you are going to need to have a brake controller for your vehicle that you're actually towing with. So that is something to keep in mind. The only other thing that you'll have to do besides putting this on your axle or putting on your wheel assembly is to connect the power here. There's going to be two wires at the back to connect up to power and ground. So let's take a closer look at this assembly and make sure that it's the right fit for your particular application. This brake assembly again is for the left-hand side. It's for an 8,000 pound axle rating, and it has our magnet at the bottom, which is going to provide that stopping force. On either side we'll have our brake shoes. These are bonded to the actual housing rather than being riveted, so you don't have to worry about them coming off or causing any damage once they wear down. A lot of times with the riveted style, that rivet can then be a point that will tear into the hub assembly. So these are instead bonded to it. They follow the contour of the whole brake assembly, and they are cut at an angle here, so they're chamfered at the edge, which gives them a better braking force and reduces the risk of those crumbling up and breaking out. The hardware is included with this, the nuts to go on the back, and there is a backing plate which is plastic, and some people might think that that's a bad thing, but it actually is kind of nice because then it prevents any risk of there being corrosion back here with a metal plate. That's always an issue. So the backing plate being plastic is going to keep that from happening and keep from getting any kind of corrosion on the rest of the assembly. Now this is a self-adjusting brake assembly, so you don't have to manually adjust the braking tension. It should tighten up on its own. You can make adjustments if it's grabbing too much at first, or make that initial adjustment using the little wheel at the bottom. The plugs for that to plug up this backing plate are sold separately. They just keep out any kind of water from getting in through those little slots at the back where you would make those adjustments. So you can purchase those if you'd like. Again, they are sold separately. This is made in the USA. The bolt pattern that this will fit onto, or the mounting flange bolt pattern, is a 4-bolt assembly. It fits AL-KO or Haze axles only. The wheel size that this will work with is 16-inch or larger. Again, the axle rating is 8,000 pounds. This will work with most hub and drum assemblies, including Dexter, Lippert or LCI, and Alko or Haze assemblies. Again, this is the driver's side. It is a 12-inch diameter and 3 3/8 inch wide. That's pretty much all there is to it for our look at the Dexter Trailer Axle Brake Assembly. If you need the right-hand side, that is listed as a related product on the product page here at etrailer.com, so you'll want to pick that up at the same time so they wear the same. But I hope this has been helpful in deciding if this is the right one for you. Again, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.